Morning people, show day is here. We've got no food poisoning, but it's going to be a rush. So let's send that on to Joe, see what he says, and get the plan for the day in action. Hello, welcome to Irving Convention Centre. We are probably about 1 hour out. Women's physique first. There's a class before me anyway. I think it's women's physique first, then classic. Feel good, happy with the shots this morning. Excited to see it come together.
How you feeling, Joe?
I'm feeling good, feeling confident. We've landed it. No food poisoning this time. Thank God. So the chicken was cooked correctly. Yeah, so just to run through sort of what we've done here. Managed to load quite comfortably into weigh-ins yesterday. There was a bit of loading still to do afterwards, but God, imagine if you had to do like all of that in one evening. So got it in nicely. Joe looked spot on this morning, like the shots this morning are just bursting full. Everything was as full as it needs to be. So now we can let him run in empty stomach, so I have no problem hitting any shots. We're just putting in a little bit of fluid, a little bit of electrolytes, very small amount, just to more so blood glucose so he can feel on top whilst posing and get a good pump. It's a really easy one now. Cruise it in.
Do the business, see how it goes. Hello, just been on for the initial number comparisons, and then we're going on for the individual routine. I think it felt good, it looked good. They gave us 60 seconds this week, which was a lot more than last week. I felt rushed last week, but Joe has nailed this one, which is nice. I feel good, I'm not ill, and now we find out our fate. So first, second, third call up. Let's see, man, it's a stacked lineup. There's another 34 people here, 4 or 5 Olympians. You know how we do. So let's go see if they like the look this week. Pretty confident it's a damn sight better, so that's all I can do. Let's get back to it. Catch up with you very shortly. Hello.
Hello, champion.
Champion, not quite. If champion's 15th place, then yeah, maybe.
Do you know what place you got?
No, it'll be 15 or 16. Hopefully it'll be 15, because after 16 they just put 16, 16, 16, 16. But I was on the outside of the first call out, so it will be 15 or 16. I've not done I got a little clip backstage at the DJI.
Nice.
I'm really happy with that look. I've seen some clips from people's Instagram stories, which I'm very appreciative of you watching and sharing them, because that gives me like the first look of how I was looking. That's the best I think I've ever looked on any stage ever, which is fucking cool. I said to Joe, I know I've repeated this time and time again, but it's quite important to me to get this message across. Like, my goal for this year was intrinsically not about a placing. I know that sounds fucking corny. I want to win a show, of course, but I'm not delusional at the same time. For me, this was about enjoying the prep. It was about enjoying the show day. It was about conveying confidence on stage. It was about coming off stage, seeing the footage and being actually happy with it for once, because it's felt like a long time since I felt like that. and it was about relighting the fire, which fuck me, we've done big time, which is bad news for my wife. But good news for Joe, because he keeps getting that direct debit rolling in. And hopefully keeps the potential one day Olympian on the books. I think we've got the recipe, man. I think I have the ingredients, I just need more of them. I think when you're standing at 6'2" now, I've still probably got 4 or 5 kilos that we could squeeze into this cap in the right areas. And I think when I get to that point, you know, if it's still not good enough, then I know that it's just not for me. But we've gone into 2 absolutely stacked shows. Tyler Mannion did a review of Tampa and said it was the deepest lineup of the year. This one equally as deep, if not deeper, from a like top call-out perspective. I think they already had their top 8 probably in their mind before it even began. So second call-outs, I'm good with that, man. I'm good with that. But most of all, like I said, it's not about that, which I know is corny, but this game is all about continuous improvement, living that Kaizen life, that Kaizen philosophy is being a little bit better each year. So that's it. Plan for the rest of the day. I really want some chicken and veg right now, so I'm hoping we can find some health food kitchen. You must be starving. Have you eaten yet? So we need to get some food. I might even, maybe like an egg white omelette will do it. But anyway, pro fat for the day. We'll take Bay to Terry Black's later on, and then we're going out for a barbecue tomorrow, so I'll kind of save myself for that. And that is the plan. So I guess we'll show you the food later. We'll take you along for the food. And then that is show 2 wrapped up. And we are once again, we're 8 days out actually. The next one's on a Saturday, so we have an extra day.
Joe, can I get some feedback from you?
Yeah. I mean, Joe said it all. I think the look was incredible, especially after last week. The way I really wanted to see Joe come in today was very confident in the fact that he was bursting full. So I knew that he could hit the shots, feel the shots, everything would move well. He'd light up as soon as we started pumping up, which was exactly what happened. So we nailed that. And like last week, because Joe got ill, there wasn't really the best amount of data collection to know precisely what that amount of fullness needed to be. And we've got that now. And I think any coach that watches their client on stage is like running little formulas in their head, is kind of like, what can we do to nail in those additional 0.1%? And the best news for us is that it's not any kind of overhaul that we would need to do of a peak. Like, it's there. It was perfect, but we're not going to be satisfied with it being spot on Joe's best look ever. I'm going to go back, and I always like to do this a bit nerdy. I like spreadsheet out the entirety of peak weeks, work out what went in on each day across every vector: food, fluid, electrolytes, PD, supplements, whatever, expenditure training wise, and then do totals and whatnot, see how the look changed over that time, and just see if there's little things that we can refine. But honestly, and I rarely say this, I don't think there is going to be a lot that we can refine from that. It's just as Joe gets more settled in at this condition, as he goes through more peak weeks, as fluid homeostasis becomes a little bit more settled at this lower set point, he is going to keep improving, just like he did from last week to this week, regardless of the sickness. Through the whole peak week, through every stage, every day, he was a little bit sharper and a little bit fuller than he was last week, and that's still got legs. That's going to keep happening. So I think it's just a case of keep turning up and doing what we're doing, refining the process, and he's going to be on. But regardless, second call outs in a lineup like this of a show of this caliber is incredible. So yeah, I'm gassed with it really. The photos are so good as well. The photos we just took in there, I was like,
yeah, so good.
Fuck. So yeah, I think I need to eat now as well.
Let's roll it. Spin it round so we're both in it.
Alright, one sec.
Selfie cam. Here we go. We're all showered. Final's done. I don't actually know what the final place is. I guess I'll find out when the scorecards come out. But now it is time to break my wife's Terry's virginity. Terry Black's barbecue virginity. And I'm very excited for her to experience this. We're going, oh, I'll say we're going out early. It's 7 p.m. So we're going to get some food, go back, chill and watch. What's that thing? What are we watching?
Married at First... No. Love is Blind.
Love is Blind UK is the plan. And I think I'll certainly just treat myself to Halo Top. I think that's well deserved. And then we'll chill for the night. So we'll show you Terry Black's and then we'll sign out. But we hope you've enjoyed this show day vlog. This one went much more to plan from a vlog perspective. So I'm excited to see what cinematic masterpiece you put together on that one. And we'll see you at Terry Black's for a live review of your first taste.
It keeps,
Because it's centered on you, isn't it?
yeah, saying at me.
That's all good. You can talk. How are you feeling?
Hungry?
I can relate to that. I also feel very hungry.
Yeah. But I think show days are stressful.
Why do you think it's stressful?
I just get really nervous. Like, it's almost like I can feel... I obviously can't feel what you're feeling. I'm not you, but... It's like I'm channeled into how Joe's feeling, so... I look at his face and I try and figure out how he's feeling, and I just get nervous for him when he's on stage, so... I just get this, like, knot in my stomach. But yeah.
Hopefully the knot is relieved now. You can replace that knot with some brisket.
Yeah, if I can gain my appetite back.
You will when you see it, though. When you see it and you smell it, it's going to come straight back.
Doing good? How's it going today, guys?
Good.
First time in, or we've been here before, guys?
I've been here before.
First time.
Welcome back, guys. So the way it works, everything's priced by the pound. Well, you can order by the slice, by the rib, by the link. We just weigh everything out on this scale, so the weight determines the price. What kind of meats can we get started?
I want to get brisket.
Let me pull out a fresh chicken that we got.
Wow, look at that. I reckon.
What?
Hello. Crazy.
You guys prefer more fat or less fat?
That's fat, babe.
How many slices do you guys?
That's what I wanted to see. Right, we've got brisket, we've got beef rib, and we've got green beans, and we've got coleslaw, and we've got jalapenos, and you've got Mexican rice. Oh, and we've got some turkey as well. Right there. Right, guys, that's the end of the show day vlog. Thank you for having us. We hope you enjoyed this one. We're going to enjoy this now. And I guess all that's left to say is like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.